Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a custom tab to your WooCommerce products. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So for this video, we need just to add some plugins or extensions that would add this feature to our WooCommerce plugin. So we can simply go to WooCommerce. From here, we can go to extensions, and basically you will need just to search for product tabs or custom product tabs. And we are just going to wait for the search result to appear. And from here, you can see already a custom product tabs manager, and it will allow you to add extra product tabs to display additional information in your products. And in my case, I'm just going to add plugins. If you prefer to use WooCommerce Marketplace, uh, be free to use this extension or plugin. I'm just going to use the plugins or the WordPress plugin store or marketplace. So here I'm just going to click on add new plugin, and basically I'm just going to click on product tabs or type product tabs here, and then we will need just to wait for the search result to appear. And now you can use or choose any plugin that you would like, either a custom product tabs for WooCommerce or these WooCommerce product tabs. And you can choose anything that you are liking. And in my case, I'm just going for this one, and it will allow us to add extra tabs to our WooCommerce products page. And from here, I'm just going to click on install, and simply we are just waiting for this to be installed, and I'm just going to activate after that, and then we will be needing to start using this tool or this uh, plugin. And simply we will be needing to go to the products, and from there we can start adding new tabs. So I'm just going to click here, and as you can see already a product tabs has been added, and now you can start adding the tabs that you would like to have for your product. And then you can go to the list of your products, you choose any products. I'm just going to click on edit, and basically you will have a settings that would be added, which is the product tabs. From here, you can add any product tabs that you have created from here. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.